Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back. I'm in the family car right now. As you can see right here, those are the front wheels for the Supra. Taken into a local place that said they wouldn't have an issue mounting the tires because all the other places I talked to said that 265 3518 might be a tough fit for them. So this is the only place I called who was, yeah, we can do that, no issues. Just bring it on over. So they don't do appointments, so I'm just here waiting until I'm next in line, and then we'll hopefully get the front mounted. They had some valve stems, so I could do the rears at home. And then if I get those done today kind of early, I'll probably go to a tire shop anywhere and just try and get those mounted and balanced while I'm doing nothing but sitting here. I'm just knocking out some homework, so yeah, that's my Saturday morning.
2 hours later.
Finally. Man, I hope they don't damage these wheels.
Moments later.
Please don't be damaged. They weren't damaged.
The next morning.
Alright, so first thing is to run the valve stem through.
And then you just ooh. Easy peasy. This part sucks a little bit, and so does torquing them down. But it is what it is.
Alright, so I didn't bother recording it, but I torqued it. This is the 2-coin method I learned on, YouTube University a while ago. Essentially, you just space them out equally. Torque this one and torque that one. Move the coins clockwise so you can keep track of which one you've already torqued. And you just keep going around both sides equally. Torque them both to 130 inch-pounds. So in the middle of the max torque was 10 to 12 foot-pounds, so a little over 10.
Well, that's up my wheels and my calipers. That paint was not like that. You can see on the wheels. Great. Yep, just lovely. Pour that shit all the way down. I tell you, man, it's never easy. Always something. I don't know if I just need to get a spacer or what, but these are supposed to be plug and play. I mean, you can see the gap, or the lack of the gap. So you can see right here, so it was not clearing. I could shape it down, but I'm gonna just get like a 3mm spacer and it should be good. Inside of the spokes, you can see all the way around. Kidding me, man. These are supposed to be plug and play, super fit, man.
One eternity later.
Yeah, so pretty much everything with these new wheels went wrong. Front wheels we had to put back. That was running. The rear wheels, I went on a test drive up the road. Something is off. I don't know if it's the lug nuts or what. These didn't have hub-centric rings. I don't think they need them, but some kind of noise coming from the back when I was driving. Not rubbing, I'm pretty sure. I don't see any lines on the tires. So, I don't know. I ordered spacers. Those will be in soon. You can see little marks. It's not that bad though. Like, it's really just the caliper paint that you see. And these are the front wheels, and then you can see this ring around where the caliper was making contact. Yeah, man, it ain't always easy, but it's part of the game, and I just chalk it up to that.